One of the keys is the right lubrication, and as long as you have a regular scheduled maintenance, it'll solve a lot of your problems. It'll make those tools last longer, make your compressors last longer. Today we're going to answer one of the questions that we get frequently, and that is, what type of oil should I lubricate my tool with? How should I lubricate my tool? And when should I lubricate my tool? Every tool has a owner's manual that comes with it. Every manufacturer will tell you what type of oil and how often to oil them. We recommend a non-petroleum based oil. Most of the manufacturers make it without the petroleum-based. Petroleum-based oils will actually expand your O-rings and clog things up, and it will not work right. The reason we lubricate the tools, most tools have a firing. If O-rings aren't lubricated properly, it'll slow down the performance of the tool. You'll get skipping, and you'll shorten the life of the tool, and then I make more money in our service department. Keeping your tool properly lubricated will work better, you get more production, and the tool will last longer. Please lubricate the tools. How often? Coil nailers, I would recommend we go 10 to 15 times a day, maybe even 15, 20 times a day. If you're really in high production, you might have to do it twice a day. For the stick nailers, I would try 10 to 15 drops, maybe just 10 drops to get started. You don't want to do it too much, you don't have as much moving parts. Like I said, depends on the volume. Your finish nailers, be very careful. Compressors. Every owner's manual has exactly what type of oil to use. Your Honda motors will use a 10W30. You might want to double check that, especially with the weather. The pumps take a 30 weight non-detergent. I highly recommend the synthetics they've come up with lately because it seems to help the pumps move better in the winter, especially, and it makes the pumps last longer. One of my customers changes the oil on his pumps and motors on his gas compressors the first Saturday of every month. That way he always remembers the scheduled maintenance. With good scheduled maintenance, your tools will last longer and save you money in the long run. Keep your production up. If you have any questions with Nail Gun Depot, email us or call us. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.